Good morning, students. This is Mrs. Neathammer for our Period 11 Physical Science class. Today we're going to be learning about how to calculate speed using distance and time. So I'm excited to learn about this because tomorrow we're going to be using these calculations in our activity. I'm going to show you how to access our science resources from the library homepage. So here I'm on Wyomissing Area's homepage. I'm going to go ahead and click on the library icon. That's going to open a new tab, which I'm going to navigate over to Wyomissing Area Junior Senior High School. That will bring us to our WYO Area Library homepage where you have a bunch of icons. We're going to click on Facts Site, which looks like a little owl. Again, that's going to open in a new tab. Bring us to this page where we're going to scroll down to where it says Science and Technology. It's going to bring us to this page and we're going to have some different fields of study we can choose from. We are going to choose Physics. That's going to bring us to this page. Here we're going to click Classical Physics. Then we're going to click Mechanics. We're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on number 2. That will bring us to this page where we're going to read about speed and velocity. So as you know, speed is the distance traveled over a given amount of time. We are going to be calculating speed in meters per second. You might know speed as being calculated in miles per hour. This is something that we use often as it's on the speedometer of our vehicles. To calculate speed, like I said, you need to take the distance and the time. So in order to find the speed of an object, you need to know how far it traveled and how long it took it to travel. To calculate the speed, you are going to take the distance and divide it by the time. The distance will be measured in meters, and the time will be measured in seconds. So we'll have a given number of meters divided by a given number of seconds, and this will give us the speed of the object in our unit of meters per second. Four steps to calculate speed. Step 1. Determine the distance the object has traveled from the starting point to the ending point. Measure this distance using meters. Step 2. Determine the time it takes for the object to travel from the starting point to the ending point. Measure the time using your stopwatch in seconds. Step 3. Calculate the speed. Calculate the speed by taking the distance divided by the time. Step 4. Record your results. Speed is measured in meters per second. Be sure to record this information in your data table. Thanks for watching. You should all now know how to calculate speed. Like I said, we're going to be measuring speed in meters per second. So in class tomorrow, we're going to be using a lot of different tools like our meter stick to measure distance and a timer to measure time. And of course, our handy dandy calculator in order to calculate the speed that we travel. Okay guys, thanks for listening. Have a great day.